Hello, it's Nicholas from Affiliate Marketing Info channel. It's the new product and review, Fluence. So, will be launched very soon at today, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, what exactly is the Fluence? It is also a secret software explore how you can use Instagram that you will get massive viral traffic on demand, and you will also get $400 per day to promote some high-ticket CPA offer. If you know what is CPA offer, CPA is a call per actions. This is not sell anything. You don't have to sell anything to get your affiliate commissions. You just send people to this offer. And to this offer, the offer is will get their email address, name and email address, zip code, phone number. This is exactly the spirit sample task they have to input their info. They don't have to buy anything, and you will get paid every actions they take part in it. So, but the problem is it is also because you don't have to sell anything. But the most problem is you don't have get paid very small. Normally the CPA offer you will get paid for $2. Some else is smaller than $2 for email to get their email for per liter. But this is also very special for you. You will grab this products because the CPA offer is best part is don't have to sell anything, but the get paid commission is very small. But with this get the commission you will get much more commissions because with the problem with this program you don't have a listener, you don't have to website, you don't have a huge ad budgets. As we know, free traffic is very awesome if you are tight on budget, but the problem is the free traffic will take a long time. The paid traffic, something like Google, Facebook ad, you will have a huge budget because many marketers will have this program, this Facebook this traffic program. You will have to many competition. So this is also not ideal for you to market on this place for this CPA marketing because every commission that you get is very small, but also it will teach you a very unique method, and you will have nothing to do with testing, tricking, and scaling. This is no mass following, auto liking, commenting, or scamming. You don't have to waste thousands of dollars in expert. You don't have to waste hours such as writing article, doing SEO, and other free traffic method. Then don't just work. It is something you can apply today. When you can apply with data, you will see that the sales page. You will learn much more than almost $100 per day, and you will see this is a simple system that works every time. So introduce Fluence. It is the exact software and system. You could explore Instagram, drive cheap targets viral traffic and put in $400 per day in high ticket CPA commission. You just set up one page website. They will show you how to do that. You should find their app, and also find untapped traffic sources, and you will start generating traffic, leads, and sales within 30 minutes. It is very awesome. And also you will phase 1 training, phase 2 use their app, and then you will get more fast traffic condition. This is also normally you will get when they do something to stimulus action is they submit email, they will get paid $2 per lead, CPA sales and $30. But with this program, you will find some high ticket CPA. You will get the same action, but they will it's much 10x. You will add email list for email submit, and you will get paid $30. CPA sale you will $300 So it is also very powerful. You will 10x for your same effort. If you have this special app and how to explode it in Instagram, and you will get instant dirty cheap traffic, target traffic high ticket commission complete step-by-step training everything you need to start running in the next 24 hours. So what it is also very awesome. It is just $70. And if you go through this, you will possibly need to get paid as soon as possible. And you will see, if you have $100 per day, it is very when you will compare with today's investment, this is very small. So let's take a look what I have already walked through in my bonus page. Let's take a look. So what is Fluence? Fluence is a brand new app and training suite that you generate unlimited traffic, high ticket CPA commissions without much traffic, without much effort until this Instagram pages drive traffic for them. How to find it is step-by-step training. How to find high ticket CPA offer pay you $200 to $300 instead of $20 to $30. Set up high converting one-page website. How to build a list. You can keep promoting high ticket offers. Set up a solid console and auto respond follow-up sequence. That is much more. And what if you are interested in this offer, don't forget to subscribe to click the link below in the description. This is the first link. We'll go to my bonus page. So let's take a look at what offer I offer to you. The first offer is the free guide discover the best way to market on Instagram that actually works. This is because to Instagram. So I tell you to how to drive more traffic to it. Bonus number 2 is the free cheats. How to use Instagram stories to 10x your engagement and sales. Don't underestimate the Instagram story. So the Instagram story just 24 hours that will stay on this program, and they will gone after 24 hours. But many marketers will best you will do and how to use their influence, especially in this Instagram story. So don't underestimate this power. Bonus number 3 is the full video course. This is created by John Armstrong. This is all called Frigo Breakout. Channel is a very successful six-figure monthly successful marketing. So he will in this video training, he will teach you how to use best use of the Instagram influencer and how to describe what your sales and leads and also as well as your commission. Bonus number 4 is the free report how to get high paying clients for your business with a website or email list just with your Facebook account. Facebook is the number 1 social traffic. This is also we know this is also much traffic, and you can get more customer on it. Bonus number 5, you will a little known app you can use for massive viral traffic. Bonus number 6, new tricks on how to use Quora for traffic. Quora is a platform many people will ask for questions and answers. So don't underestimate this platform. Bonus number 7, you will get free plugins for get viral traffic to your website fast. If you have a website, this is a very cool traffic you plugin you can get because you will get viral traffic. Bonus number 8, you will get a WordPress plugin how to get helps you to 10x your opt-in rate fast. Opt-in rate, that is you will get leads and also to build your email list. Email list is the number 1 thing every marketer has to have and offer you and also all the exclusive bonus. Before the downtime hit 0 when you hit this full button and you do this add to task and you will get all the exclusive bonus to keep you will get this blue button and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the downtime hit 0. Don't forget you can don't forget you can get all my exclusive bonus, even if you just purchase the fund you will get my bonus and my bonus page link in the description below. This link is my bonus page. So lastly, what is the upsell for this product? They have several you will get all my is just $70. Upsell number one is unlimited. Will be up and will be rise every hour. So I highly recommend if you are interested in that, you will get this upsell as soon as possible. So the upsell is for the builder. One click on the website builder will make the world you will get $7 up to $67. Upsell number before is profit campaign is $70 to $67. It is professional designer, influencer, and campaigns that use to edit and use. If you have no idea how to design a campaign, you can use this campaign. You will have your own self-auto-responsive. You don't have to pay monthly and auto-responsive such as the most common is they will charge you a monthly fee. Such auto-responsive and responsive is get response and they will charge on monthly fee, and also they will based on how many subscribers you have able to do and why they are sell up when you have all the subscribers is raised up, so you will get this one-time payment. Upsell number 6 is license device. You will get resell this license with Fluence, and you will keep 100% on all this profit. If you have more extra money, you will get this like Fluence device. What is the key advantage? Because you will get instant tip and 30 tip high application step by step training, and also make money in the next 24 hours. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer is 0. And even if just you purchase the fund and offer, it is my previous and you will get all my exclusive bonus and you will get all my exclusive bonus. Thank you thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will have more